107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Welcome back, people. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It's back to me, back to DJ Tommy G. We are coming to you live from Casa Gilda Resort in Tabacuan, Santa Rita. This is the Night Jam Radio Show. All right, and we still have a couple of minutes left, good minutes left, for the next batch of announcements here. All right, so right about now, we would like to invite you. All right, the Royal Summer Adventure Raffle promo is ongoing. Royal Duty Free Shops, Store 1 and Store 2, huh? Okay, it's ongoing. For every 500 peso purchase, entitles you to a raffle entry. Okay, wherein the grand prize is trip for 4, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. Trip for 4 to Phuket, Thailand. Wow. Uy, sakto yan, ano? Kami sa bahay, 4 kami eh. But if you include if I will include my dog, 5 kami. Kasi dogs are family din, syempre. Your pets are family din. Diba? We don't count ourselves as 4. We count ourselves as our family as 5. Kasama siya sa bilang, no? Okay? So, trip for 4 yung grand prize, huh? Plus other exciting prizes. Just 500 peso single receipt purchase entitles you to a raffle entry. Dadalhin nyo lang yung receipt ninyo sa customer service counter. And you will be entitled to the raffle entry. Okay, visit Royal Duty Free Store 1 and Store 2. Visit their official website www.royalsubic.com and the official Facebook page as well. 252-3258 for more inquiries if you want to find out more about it. Okay, time now for today's holidays and observances. Let me give you what's going on for April 8. Bilis ng panahon, no? April 8 na. I still feel we just welcomed 2025 pero ngayon April 8 na pala. Yeah, time flies so fast when you're doing, you know, radio shows and stand-up comedies and a whole lot of stuff. Okay, April 8, holidays and observances for you. April 8 is Identity Management Day. Do you guys know that? Identity Management Day ang April 8. In case you don't know, it's important that you manage your identity kasi 'di ba nangyayari na uso na nangyayari na identity theft. Kung saan ang pagkakakilanlan mo nagagamit ng iba para manloko, 'di ba? Para mangutang, 'di ba? Yan na naman yung mga pare, ang ganda ng suot mo ngayon, ang gwapo mo, pautang naman. Ganun. Identity management. Yeah, you manage your identity well. Kailangan yan no. Hindi naman ibig sabihin para sikat ka yung identity mo but para to keep you away from the dangers of identity theft and anything else na may involve yung identification mo sa mga hindi magandang gawain. Yun. Okay, and next up we have the Be Kind to Lawyers Day. Ngayon yan. Okay, so kung may kaibigan kang lawyer, kakilala, kamag-anak, give them a big hug and be kind to them because it's Be Kind to Lawyers Day. Dog Fighting Awareness Day. Bawal na yan, ha? Kaya pag may alam kayo na may ring pa rin of dog fighting, i-report nyo sa kinauukulan. Yan, may batas tayo dyan. Hindi ko lang sa ulado kung anong RA number, blah blah blah. Basta, nasa batas natin, bawal yan. Yung dog fighting and any other acts of animal cruelty. Di ba kailan lang? Naalala nyo, nakulong si ate, no? Yung sumaksak doon sa kay what's the name of the dog? Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng dog. Tiger, yun, si Tiger. Opo, Tiger lang yung pangalan niya, pero dog siya. Nagugutom lang naman yung doggy. Pwede namang sinaway na lang, pinalayas na lang. Kung ayaw mo, paalisin mo. Diba? Lalayo naman yun pag sinaway, binugaw mo. Diba? Sinaksak Wag ganun, no? Okay? And, Library Workers Day. Ayan, sila pa. Bibigyan nyo rin ng big hug. Library Workers Day. That's today, April 8. Okay? And, that's about it. Today's holidays and observances. And, for all of you celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. No, not all of you are celebrities. I mean, all of you celebrating your birthdays today. This one's for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. happy birthday talaga. Birthday to you. Sabi nung kumanta, birthday. Here are the famous people celebrating their birthdays today, celebrities and the likes. Okay. First of which is happy birthday to... Teka, akala ko ba famous birthday? Ba't di ko kilala itong mga to? Sino ba itong mga to? Oh, Matt Healy. I know him. Si Matt Healy is the lead vocalist of the band, the 1975, one of my favorite bands nowadays. Yes. Okay, Matt Healy. Happy birthday to you, the 1975. Also, rapper and R&B artist Dej Loaf turns 34 today. Happy birthday. TV actor John Schneider turns 65. Still good looking at 65, huh? Hi. Also, happy birthday to K-pop artist Jong Yoon. Alright, the member. Do you guys remember SHINee? Hindi ako gano'ng mahilig sa K-pop, pero I like SHINee. I like their group. He's the member of SHINee who committed suicide. You guys remember, no? Okay, so si Jong Yoon, he would have been, he committed suicide back in 2017 at the young age of 27, just 27. You know, I don't get K-pop artists, Japanese artists. Sila kasi yung mga yung may, kung i-compare mo sa ibang kind of Asian artist, sila yung medyo may high rate of suicide, ano? I don't get them. Kung sino pa yung mga K-pop artist or sikat artista, why would you end your life? Ayaw mo ba ng kalagayan mo? 'Di ba? Other people are doing their best to become, to be in your shoes, na maging sikat, na maging makilala, to be known in their craft. And those guys, they're already there, and they would commit suicide. Maaring ang may pinagdaanan, maaring ang may naging problema, pero is that really enough to do that, to end one's life? I don't think so. Next up, we have Mr. Julian Lennon. He is an artist, a singer, and yes, you guessed it right. From the last name, Lennon, he is the son of John Lennon. He turns 61 today. All right. Among his popular songs, it's Much Too Late for Goodbyes. Ano pa ba? Well, of course, the song Hey Jude was written for him by John Lennon. Yeah. Okay. Di ba may mga memes sa Facebook na nagkalat, di ba? Do you guys know how to end the song Hey Jude? Sumagot yung tatlong member pa ng Beatles na. Yun, yeah, okay. So that's just about it. Today's famous people, all right, celebrities and the like, celebrating the birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. April 8th birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.